So guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. On this video I will be doing an unboxing. Yes, I've still got the mic. It does work, okay? It does work. Okay, so I'll be unboxing the Hub wireless optical mouse. As you can see, it's wireless because it's got the little USB thing. So if you want to read the back, shit, you can just take a screenshot right now. Okay, so it's made in China, of course. Hope that I'm not offending anyone. But yeah, I can't remember how much I got this for. I got this a while ago. But yeah, let's get right into this. Let's unbox it with my secret weapon, scissors. Okay, no, it's actually nothing. It's all good. All good in the hood. Okay, these things are so hard to unbox. Can't they just make things easier? And remember, kids, always cut towards you so you can do the maximum amount of damage towards you and your family. And while you're at it, kill someone. Legit, kill someone. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this by force. Ugh. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I almost got it. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully we haven't broken anything inside the box. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so here it is. It's in there. I'll just pop everything out for you. Fall out, just fall out. Come on, you little, I'll get the little USB thing out. So this is the USB thing. It's quite hard to see. And here is what I'm talking about. Just go over there. This is the mouse itself. This is where you put batteries, and also the little wireless thing. You put it straight in there. How good is that? So if you're like going somewhere, or if you're like moving your laptop, you just put it in there and it's fine. Little on switch there. Buttons on the side so you can switch between tabs. So yeah, click, click, and it's got the little scroll wheel. From what I remember, this was actually pretty cheap. So if you want to go, right, one sec. Oh, sorry. Okay. Alright. So if you want a really cheap mouse, I'm pretty sure this was like $2 or something from Woolworths. So definitely go and pick it up if you want like a replacement for your mouse, or if your mouse is broken, or even just for a present, like a Christmas present. So Christmas is coming up. So yeah. Thank you very much for listening. Look, I'm holding my fucking... Okay, let me show you this, okay? So if you're, like, just bullying me about my mic, this is the suffering that I have to go through, okay? Look, I have to fucking hold it up with duct tape. Look, that's my whole setup, right there. Duct tape back here, duct tape back there. And you may be wondering, why so much duct tape? It's for you, okay? I wasted like $4 on getting a roll of duct tape for you guys, okay? So the least you can do is thank me, or drop a like on this fucking video, okay? Now you better buy this mouse. And I know this video is going to get heaps of hate. I know that, okay? I know that. But please, like this video. Please like me. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this up pretty soon. So, once again, thank you very much for listening. And I'll see you in the next video. So, goodbye.